Welcome to this truly cozy and picturesque Bulgarian property for sale, nestled in the peaceful village of Kostandenets, located in the Razgrad region of Bulgaria. Just 8 kilometers from the nearby town of Tsar Kaloyan and only 35 kilometers from the vibrant city of Ruse and the Romanian border, this home offers the perfect blend of rural beauty, modern upgrades, and authentic charm. From the moment you arrive, there's an undeniable feeling of peace. The village is quiet, surrounded by nature, and filled with kind people, including a growing community of expats who've also discovered the joy of living here. Whether you're looking for a holiday home, a quiet full-time residence, or a long-term investment in Bulgaria, this one is a warm, ready-to-move-into gem. Let's start outside. The garden stretches across 760 square meters of well-maintained land. It's a manageable size, giving you both space and ease. The greenery is inviting, perfect for anyone who enjoys nature, gardening, or simply sitting outside in the sunshine. You'll also find a long shed measuring 3.6 by 20 meters, which makes an ideal sitting area, outdoor dining spot, barbecue zone, or creative workshop. It's shaded, practical, and adds another layer of living space to enjoy throughout the seasons. One of the loveliest features of this property is the view. From the terrace, you'll gaze across the rooftops of the village and out to the low mountains behind. It's a peaceful, soul-soothing view that changes with the seasons. Sunrises here are golden, and the nights are quiet under a sky full of stars. Now, let's step inside the property. The entire home has been renovated with care. It's designed to be practical, warm, and welcoming. On the first floor, you'll find a corridor leading to 2 comfortable bedrooms. There's also a separate storage room and a laundry room, which includes a modern boiler system. The bathroom and toilet on this level are clean, bright, and ready to use. From here, an internal staircase takes you to the second floor. This level opens up even more possibilities. There's one large multi-use room, perfect for a third bedroom, a guest space, a home office, or hobby area. You'll also find a spacious kitchen and a cozy living room, creating a natural gathering place filled with light and warmth. The second floor includes its own bathroom and toilet too, making this an ideal layout for comfort and privacy. The property is fitted with a central heating system that runs on wood or pellets, with radiators in every room to keep things warm and cozy in the winter months. The windows are modern PVC with double glazing, offering both insulation and security. All the electricity and plumbing are newly installed, which gives peace of mind for any buyer. In the kitchen, you'll find all new appliances, a built-in oven, a gas hob, an extractor fan, a dishwasher, and a water boiler. Everything you need is already in place, so you can simply move in and start enjoying your new life. Inside, the home feels rustic and full of character. The wooden elements and handcrafted details add charm without overwhelming the space. There's a soft, natural light that flows through each room, making the interior feel cozy but open. Even without furniture, the house already feels like a home. Now imagine the daily life here. You could take a morning walk down the quiet village lane, spend afternoons reading on the terrace, or enjoy evenings grilling under the stars in your shaded garden space. You're close to nature, with nearby hiking trails, fishing ponds, and places to camp or picnic. Yet, you're also close to towns with shops, cafes, and services. It's a lifestyle that allows for both calm and connection. This lovely Bulgarian property for sale is brought to you by Nyama Problemi Ltd, a fully licensed estate and building management company based in Popovo. They are experts in Bulgarian property, and they offer full support for both European and non-European buyers. Whether you need help registering a company, setting up utilities, or managing the property after your purchase, they'll be with you every step of the way. If you're an EU citizen, you can buy this property in your own name. If you're from outside the EU, Nyama Problemi Ltd can create a Bulgarian company for you to purchase and own the land legally. They'll also take care of tax filings, company documents, and anything else needed to make the process simple and stress-free. And their support doesn't stop after you sign the final contract. They offer long-term management, key holding, garden maintenance, cleaning, bill payments, and emergency support. They can even prepare your home for guests if you decide to rent it out while you're away. This is a home that works for many lifestyles. It's perfect for someone ready to retire in peace. It's great for digital nomads looking for calm and inspiration. And it's a smart move for investors looking to own a charming rural property with mountain views in a region that's growing steadily. Let's quickly recap what you're getting with this wonderful Bulgarian property for sale. A move-in-ready residence, 2 levels, 3 potential bedrooms, a new kitchen with modern appliances, 2 bathrooms, a wood or pellet central heating system, double-glazed PVC windows, new electrics and plumbing, a lovely, private garden with a terrace, a long outdoor shed ideal for relaxing or entertaining, spectacular views, a peaceful village community, and full professional support from Nyama Problemi Ltd. If you're looking for that perfect blend of peace, privacy, and potential in Bulgaria, then this is your chance. Don't miss the opportunity to walk through this beautiful home with us. Book your viewing today. Whether virtual or in person, we're ready to show you around. Visit www.bg.house or www.bulgarianproperties.co.uk and get in touch with Nyama Problemi Ltd. We're holding the keys, and your new life in Bulgaria could be just one message away.